Welcome back, dear listeners, to our English Learning Podcast. In the last segment, Ayesha told us how she built and grew her small business. She learned about marketing, taking good pictures, and writing English captions. Ayesha, that was really inspiring.
Thank you, sir. Yes, it was a busy time, but also a very exciting time for me.
I can imagine. But tell me honestly, wasn't it difficult to manage your studies and your business at the same time?
Oh, yes, sir. That was one of my biggest challenges. I had school in the morning, homework in the evening, and then I had to make jewelry and reply to customers.
That sounds like a lot to handle. How did you manage all that?
At first, I didn't manage it well. I used to feel tired and sometimes forgot to do my homework. My parents told me, Ayesha, you must plan your time properly.
Good advice. Time management is very important, not just for business, but for life.
Yes, sir. So I made a small plan. I wrote my schedule in a notebook.
Oh, that's a great idea. Can you tell us how you planned your day?
Sure, sir. I divided my day into parts. In the morning, I studied. In the afternoon, after lunch, I made jewelry for 2 hours. In the evening, I replied to messages and posted pictures.
That's a very organized routine. So you gave time to both your studies and your business.
Yes, sir. It helped me feel relaxed. When I followed a plan, I didn't feel lost anymore.
Wonderful. Let's teach our listeners a useful English word, routine. It means the things you do every day in the same order. For example, I have a morning routine. My routine helps me stay focused.
Yes, sir. Having a routine really helped me.
Excellent. Did you also make time for English learning in your day?
Yes, sir. I made a habit of listening to short English podcasts when I worked on jewelry.
That's brilliant. You combined your work with learning.
Yes, sir. I didn't have much free time, but I thought I can learn while I work.
That's smart multitasking. Expression tip. Multitasking means doing two or more things at the same time.
Oh, I like that word. Multi means many, and task means work.
Exactly. You can say, I'm good at multitasking, meaning you can handle many things at once.
Sir, sometimes I listened to English business podcasts too. I didn't understand everything, but I understood some words.
That's the right way to learn. Don't worry about understanding everything. Just listen every day. Over time, your ears get used to English sounds.
Yes, sir. I noticed that after 1 month, I could catch more words.
That's called listening practice. Pronunciation tip. When you say listen, remember that the T is silent. So we say listen, not listen.
Oh, so it's listen. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Now, Ayesha, tell us, did you ever feel stressed managing everything?
Yes, sir, many times. When I got too many orders, I felt tired and worried. Sometimes I even thought about quitting.
That's understandable. Many new business owners feel the same. What did you do to manage your stress?
Sir, I started writing my thoughts in a journal. When I felt worried, I wrote about it in English.
That's an excellent idea. Writing in English helps both your mind and your language skills.
Yes, sir. I wrote things like, today was a busy day, or I felt tired but happy. It made me feel calm.
That's beautiful. Listeners, you can try that too. Write a few sentences in English every night. It helps your grammar, spelling, and emotions.
Yes, sir. It really works.
Did you also practice speaking English during your business time?
A little, sir. When I packed orders, I talked to myself in English.
Oh, that's great practice. What kinds of things did you say?
I said things like, now I'm packing this bracelet, or this one is for my customer in Lahore.
Perfect. That's called thinking in English. When you talk to yourself in English, your brain starts to think in English naturally.
Yes, sir. At first, it felt strange, but then it became fun.
Wonderful. That's one of the best learning habits. Grammar tip. When we talk about daily habits, we use the present simple tense. For example, I listen to podcasts every morning. I make jewelry every afternoon.
I understand, sir. I write my journal every night. That's also present simple.
Exactly, Ayesha. You're learning fast.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Now tell us, how did your family support you during this time?
Sir, my parents were very kind. My mother helped me pack orders. My father helped me buy materials.
That's lovely. Family support makes a big difference.
Yes, sir. My younger brother also helped me take pictures.
Oh, a real family business.
Yes, sir. A small one.
That's wonderful. Did you ever use English when you talked with your family about your business?
Sometimes, sir, I used simple words. I said things like, I got a new order, or I shipped 2 parcels today.
Perfect English. Those are very natural sentences.
Thank you, sir. I also practiced English with my friends who supported my business.
That's great. English grows faster when you use it to talk about your real life.
Yes, sir. I noticed that when I spoke English about something I loved, like my business, it was easier.
That's an important point. When you speak about something you care about, English becomes more natural and emotional.
That's true, sir.
So let's summarize today's segment for our listeners. Here's what we learned. 1. Plan your time and make a daily routine. 2. Learn English while doing your work. Multitask. 3. Write your thoughts in English to reduce stress. 4. Talk to yourself in English to build fluency. 5. Use present simple tense for daily habits.
Yes, sir. These things really helped me balance my life.
Wonderful, Ayesha. You're showing our listeners that business and English can grow together if we manage time well.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. In the next segment, Ayesha will tell us how she faced challenges like negative comments, mistakes, and competition, and how she stayed confident and positive while learning English.
Yes, sir. That part was hard, but I learned a lot from it.
Great. We'll talk about that in podcast 4.